I forgot to show this. I bought 2 of them. The door. This is really great. I like this. You don't have to have your traditional doorknob. And I'm thinking about maybe putting a 2x6 in here, and that will help make the door frame even stronger, and just carve it out, the 2x6. That way when I screw it into there, it'll hold on to there. And I could use 6-inch screws. A few of those, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 of them. I got plenty. So that way it'll close right up against it. So I got to make it perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And then I got to maybe put one here or something. Carve it out right here. Smooth that way with the planer. Cool.